Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Fitri Ningrum with my last NPM 17 and
And I'm Wildan Setyawan with less NPM 40.
okay, today we will present about
Creating describing thing about the CNC machine, also known computer numerical control.
yes,
So enjoy the
enjoy
video.
it. Okay. Hello Jans, how are you today?
Hello Fitri, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Um, don't seem good. I have a little problem. Can you help me?
Of course, I can help you. So what is all I help you with?
I have a quiz tomorrow about CNC machines. So, can I interview you about it?
Of course, the CNC machine stands for computer numerical control. This machine is controlled by computer programming to carry out tasks such as cutting and processing material.
Oh, I see. Does how does the program work?
This program works based on numerical instruction. The CNC machine will execute it.
Then, what about the component?
The component is there is frame, shelf, axis, column, control panel, cooling system, lubricating system, and less measuring system.
Wow, impressive. It is complete to maintaining it.
Hmm, I think no, because we just need to provide to lubricate and clean the cooling filter.
How is the regular maintenance done?
What is certain is that we have to calibrate and check the component. Is that really difficult to reach?
Yeah. Okay. No, I understand enough. Thank you, Daz, for explaining.
You're welcome, Fitri. Don't hesitate if you have anything else or you want to ask.
Okay, Daz. Goodbye. See you
Goodbye.
again.
See you.
Okay, guys. Thank you watching for videos. Bye.